Welcome to telaHosting. In this video, I'll show you how to install a cPanel Auto SSL certificate on your website using telaHosting. Before we get into the steps, let's quickly talk about what an SSL certificate is and why it's important. An SSL certificate is what secures the connection between your website and your visitors. It encrypts data, protects sensitive information, and allows your website to use HTTPS instead of HTTP. And this is important because it keeps the user's information safe, it builds trust with your visitors, it improves your website's credibility, and it's also a ranking factor for search engines like Google. In simpler terms, SSL makes your website safer and more professional. Now let's go ahead and install it. First, head over to telahosting.com/login and log into your telaHosting account. From your dashboard, locate your web hosting services, click on cPanel and log into Control Panel. Once you're inside cPanel, you can either search for Security and click on SSL/TLS status, or scroll down to the Security section and click on SSL/TLS status. Here you see a list of your domains. Make sure the domain you want to secure is selected. Next, click on Run Auto SSL. cPanel will automatically generate and install the SSL certificate for your domain. Once it's completed, you will see a success message confirming that SSL has been installed. The red icons will change to green. To confirm everything worked correctly, open your website in a new tab. Click on this and you see a padlock icon showing your connection is secure. And also, the URL starts with HTTPS. This shows that your SSL certificate is active, and that's it. Your website is now secured with an SSL certificate. If you need help with hosting, domain setup, or anything related to your website, telaHosting is always here to support you. Do well to leave your questions or any difficulties you may face below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to friends who need telaHosting services. Also, subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.